learners. In today's video, we'll be doing divisibility rules to 10. 2. If a number is even, it is a multiple of 2. So what does this mean? So 6 to 8. Is it an even number? Yes, it is. Since the last digit, 8 is an even number, that means 6 to 8 is an even number, and that means it is divisible by 2. 3. Add up all the digits in the number. If the sum is a multiple of 3, the number is a multiple of 3. So what does this mean? For example, we have the number 56. What we need to do now is add up the digits in the number, which are 5 and 6, which equal to 11. And now we must check, is 11 divisible by 3? No, it's not. So that means 56 is not divisible by 3. So now we have another example, 96. What we must do 9 plus 6, which equals 15. And now we must think, is 15 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. That means 96 is divisible by 3. Rule: if the last two digits of a number are divisible by 4, the number is divisible by 4. For example, we have the number 424. The last two digits are 24. And since 6 times 4 equals 24, we know that 24 is divisible by 4. That means 424 is also divisible by 4. Or 5. If the last digit of a number ends in a 0 or 5, then the number is divisible by 5. So here we have the number 75. Since the last digit is a 5, that means 75 is divisible by 5. Or we can say 5 times 15 equals 75. 52. We'll check the last digit. Is it a 0 or 5? It's not, so that means 52 is not divisible by 5. Rule for sixth. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. So we have the number 18 here. Is it divisible by both 2 and 3? We must check. Is 18 and 2 same table? Yes, it is. 2 times 9 equals 18. And now we must check 3. Since 3 times 6 equals 18, 18 is a multiple of both 2 and 3. That means it is divisible by 6. The rule for 7. Since the rule for 7 is a tricky one, I'll just show it to you in numbers and then I'll tell you it in words. So I have the number 798 here. Now what we must do is double the last digit of the number, which is 8, and 8 doubled is 16. So what we must do is 8 plus 8, which equals 16. Now from the remaining digits, we must take away the number. Since the remaining digits are 9, we must take away 79 from 16. 79 take away 16 is 63, and since 63 is a multiple of 7, that means 798 is divisible by 7. So in words, you can say like double the last digit, and then from that take away that number from the remaining digits. Right. If the number formed by the last three digits is divisible by 8, the number is divisible by 8. So what does that mean? So we have the number 3024. The last digit is 24, so we must check, is 24 divisible by 8? Yes, it is, since 3 times 8 equals 24. So that means 3024 is divisible by 8. So here we have 9. The rule for 9. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9, the number is divisible by 9. Like 3, what we must do here is, since we have the number 18, we must do 1 plus 8, which equals 9. Since 9 is divisible by 9, that means 18 is divisible by 9. So the rule for 9 is a little bit like, it's the same as 3, I mean. If the number ends in a 0, the number is divisible by 10. So you have the number 6780 here. You must check the last digit of the number. It's 0, and that means 6780 is divisible by 10.